guys, it's me, Lais. Dad, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes. Hi, it's me, Lais. I know that I'm filming in a different room. Right now, I'm filming in my dining room. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna say. Oh, I have some announcements to make. Okay, the first announcement that I'm gonna tell you guys that this Friday, November 8th, I'm going on vacation to San Agustin, Florida. So I'm not gonna be here in Miami, but I'm still gonna be in Florida, just another city. So let me know if you guys want me to do like a vlogging or blog about the place. So yeah. And number 2 is that there's been some really problems lately with my school. Not with my school, but with this kid. With a kid in my school. He's kind of mean to me. I don't know why. So yeah, that's number 2. And I've been feeling really down and really stressed and really nervous. Yeah, and I feel like I don't want to go to school anymore. So yeah. And number 3, I don't know. Okay, number 3, can you guys please go check my friend Bianca Kathleen. She's really nice. She's totally cool. She's a great friend. I really want to meet her one day. She lives here where I live too, but I would really love to meet her. So she's a really cool person, and you guys should definitely go check Bianca's channel. Alright, that's what I got all for the day, guys. I'm sorry that this is a short video. I know that I was supposed to film yesterday, but I didn't have the time, and my bird is watching out. My bird is checking me out. Goofy! Yeah, he's gonna mean so. So yeah. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scout. Love you guys a lot. Bye. See you on my next video. Bye.